I am going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to run a challenge group using my Challenge Tracker app, which all of our challenge groups are now run through. So as a coach, you have to log in onto the website, which is mychallengetrackerportal.com. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what this looks like. So this is my screen, and these are my challenge groups that I'm currently running and a part of. And so whenever you need to start a challenge group, you want to start it, I would say, a week beforehand, because you're wanting to get your challengers prepared for the challenge that you guys are about to do together. So what you're going to do is you need to go to this, go to this website, again, mychallengetrackerportal.com. You cannot do this from the app itself. Click on New Group, and we are going to create a new group. So we have a 22-minute hardcore group starting here soon. You're going to choose your start date. So the one that I'm choosing is going to be April 16th. And then your end date. So this is an 8-week program. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully it's today, but it'll be on the Sunday. So June 10th. Excuse you, Liam. You're going to select the program you're going to do. So if you have a specific program, which this one is specific to 22-minute hardcore, but if you have one that you're doing where people can do multiple different programs, oh really? You have something to say? Then you can do multiple programs or Shakeology only. Pick whatever is applicable for your challenge that you're running. And then you can write a brief description when people get started or are getting signed up. So I'll do something quick. Welcome. Get ready to get in the best shape of your life. Something like that. Okay. And then you can select an image if you want. See if I have one easy to find here. We'll do, I should have this already. I used to have a whole folder. Let's see. You're totally getting to see me do this in real lifetime. I used to have a specific 22-minute hardcore folder, and I'm not sure where it went. Let's see. We'll do this one, just for fun. Okay, so you pick your photo. Create group. And then it's going to ask for your information. You're going to have to be logged in with your coach account to do this. Okay, your group is now created. Now what you need to do is add any additional coach administrators and send your invitations. So if you are co-leading this group with someone, you will go under coach admin and you will put in the coach's email address and click add coach admin, and it will send them an invitation. Under invitations, this is where you need each person's name and email address who would like to participate in your challenge. And all you do is you put their contact information in there and click add to list. You can also, if you've run a group in the past, you can choose this option that says select from another group, and you can click on their name and then choose to send an invitation to them as well. I will tell you though, it's very important. So let me put test, if I can show you. Let's see if this works. Add to list. Okay. this was a mistake that I made in the beginning. I would add them to the list and then I left it there, and I didn't realize I have to click invite participants. So make sure that you click that button. I'm going to delete that. And once they receive the invitation and they accept it, they will show up on this participants list. There's none right now, obviously. Here in the file section is where you can upload calendars, documents, any kind of files that you would like the team or the challenge group to have access to. So this is really handy. And then once the group starts, you can post to the group here as a coach, or you can access the post library. This is really helpful. So go to post library. And here is where you can view posts from your previous challenge groups, if you have had one, if you've run one. And again, this is where you can copy and paste. It's just really helpful. Okay, I'm going to show you another secret that I didn't figure out for like the first year almost of coaching. So you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to Google your program that you're doing. So I'm going to say 22-minute hardcore challenge. Sorry, I'm typing one-handed. Challenge group guide. This is what's going to come up. So again, if you're doing 21 Day Fix, you would type in 21 Day Fix challenge group guide. This is awesome, you guys, because our company, Beachbody, has already created content for us to post every day, so you're not coming up with it on your own. So usually it's easiest to filter by week because it's going to change. So obviously, at the very beginning, this is why it's nice to start a week before. You're in week 0 before the start date, and here is your first post. Copy, paste it. Click on the image, save it to your computer, and then you can go back and here, and you will paste, and then you can add an image or a video here. Post now, it'll post to your group. Super easy, right? So don't forget about this, and honestly, just Google it, and it'll show up on Google. What does it matter? What does it matter? And that's it, you guys. I think it's really important for you to know to personalize it. So don't just copy and paste. Make things relevant to you, and make sure that you're going in there on the app or using the website and you're commenting and liking on your challenge group members' posts and answering their questions and keeping it exciting. You can be as creative as you want to be with this. So you can offer incentives and prizes. I've done that many times before. Like for people who log every single day for the entire challenge, you get a big prize at the end. Or we'll do a raffle between you guys and I'll give away a big prize. Like this month I'm giving away an Apple TV. You don't have to be that huge, extravagant. This is actually special because this is our 2-year anniversary as a team. So that was the prize that I decided to go with. But it could be something as simple as a water bottle or a t-shirt. It just makes things fun. And you can do that every week, or you can do it, by month, however you want to do that. Be creative, be excited, and keep people engaged in the challenge, and you should be very successful. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.